Hey guys, welcome to episode 58. On today's episode, we're going to take a look at how to install and go over all the functions on a flip-down edge guide for your Cobra Class 20 sewing machine. So let's go take a look.
The flip-down edge guide comes with a flat edge installed, some Allen wrenches, the round edge, and mounting hardware with the mounting bracket. These two screw holes are mounting points for the bracket. Use the mounting hardware with the bracket to mount the 5mm screws to the machine head. Attach the guide arm using the 4mm screws and the washers that come with the packaging. There are multiple adjustable points on the flip-down edge guide by using a 3mm Allen wrench. When loosening these two screws, this allows you to move the guide up or down. Turning the side knob allows the edge foot to move backwards or forwards towards the needle. You can also lock this in place so no adjustments can be made. Next is the foot edge. It is currently locked in place, and you can adjust this by loosening the 3mm screw. The lower screw holds the flat edge in place, and you won't make any adjustments with this screw. Now let's change out the flat edge for the round edge. Remove the top 3mm screw and firmly pull the edge off. Firmly push the round edge into place and tighten down with the screw. So the last adjustment you can make is with the slotted thumb knob at the top near the bracket. It adjusts the degree of the arm angle.
Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Take care. Good luck on your future projects, and I'll see you on next week's episode. Bye-bye.